I'm Harry, so 36 years old this year, so working in facilities management.
Hi, I'm Arthur. I am 33 and I do life science research. Yeah, one of the reasons why we went with Fion was that she really understood what we had visualized.
Because I think she had a similar project before, so I think that's where she started sharing her experience with cement flooring, how she can conceptualize the whole house looks like what, and then propose what. So when we talked to Lemonfridge, we wanted this open look that we want maximum light to come in. So that's where I think Fion proposed to hack off the storeroom. He hacked off most of the walls to open up the entire space to look more bright and airy. Yeah, so she really know more or less the feel that we're looking for. So the kind of connections was very fast with Lemonfridge. Yep. I think one of the first impression when you meet the Lemonfridge ID is that you really thought they are a young group, young IDs, and you thought that they didn't know what they are doing. But they do know exactly the details we're going for, the tiling, the flooring. So I think that's where ID is important, because if you go straight for a contractor, probably they'll just tell you straight away, just do this, we'll settle for you. But ID is the one need to verify all this and check the details. And I think that Lemonfridge delivered that very well. In terms of that detailing, the experiences, the verifications, the entire process, and then they settled every part of it, details for us, literally. Yeah.